first, we will study what is meant by complement system or definition of complement system. So we can define the complement system as it is a group of large molecules which are thermolabile proteins. Complement system can be defined as a group of large molecule of thermolabile proteins. What is the meaning of thermolabile? Thermolabile proteins means those which are destroyed by means of heat. Such kind of molecules are called as thermolabile. So these are large group of thermolabile proteins which completes antigen antibody reaction, lysis reaction and phagocytic or phagocytosis reactions, which are active reactions in immunology or which are important part of immune defense mechanism. Now we will study about the history of the complement system. This one is the first topic for study. Who discovered actually the complement system? The name answer of this question is Bordet. Jules Bordet was a scientist. In 1895, he discovered one system and he named it as alexin. He named it as alexin, and it was discovered during his experimentation of mixing of sheep antiserum with Vibrio cholerae organism. We know that Vibrio cholerae is responsible of cholera in animal as well as human being. So when he studied mixing of antiserum and Vibrio cholerae organism, he found that there is lysis of a Vibrio cholerae bacteria, and when he heated that particular antiserum and mixed it with Vibrio cholerae organism, there was no lysis of a bacterial cell, and now at last point he considered it as this is due to presence of protein which are heat sensitive and which are responsible for lysis of Vibrio cholerae organism. And this was a landmark in history for discovery of complement system. The second scientist, Paul Ehrlich, repeated the experimentation of complement system, and he coined the name of alexin as complement. After that, number of researchers discovered the action of complement system and the interaction of large and complex group of proteins in blood which are involved for completion of antigen antibody reaction, lysis reaction and phagocytic reactions.